Hi, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. I'm Christina Robinson, and today is Monday, February 11, 2008. Over the weekend, finance ministers and central bank officials from G7 nations ended a conference in Tokyo. They estimated that banks worldwide will continue to suffer write-downs and financial markets will see further adjustments in volatility. The news favored the yen as investors reduced holdings of carry trade pairs. In this look at the dollar-yen pair, we see a strong move following the market open on Sunday. The pair fell more than 130 pips before buyers stepped in near the 106.50 level. In Australia, the Reserve Bank of Australia's quarterly monetary policy report focused on the risks of inflation in the economy. It suggested that the bank will need to continue a tightening monetary policy. The hawkish statement sent the Aussie higher against the U.S. dollar, capping a 300-pip climb from its session low on Thursday. Turning to the UK, a report of producer inflation showed surging prices. Looking at inputs of raw materials, we see a 2.6% rise for the month and a whopping 19.1% in annual terms. This is the highest level for input inflation since records began being kept in 1986. Output inflation from factories was 1% on the month and 5.7% in annual terms. These numbers were higher than expected and will challenge the central bank, which on one hand needs to boost the economy and on the other needs to fend off inflationary pressure. These forces usually require opposite policies. After initially heading down in response to the G7 statement, the pound-dollar pair climbed around 130 pips following the UK PPI data. After hitting an intraday high near 1.9530, the pair receded. By 3 p.m., the pair was trading near 1.95. In Canada, new housing prices only increased 0.1% on the month, though the annual number notched up to 6.2%. The U.S.-Canadian dollar pair started the week lower, tested support near 0.9960, and then moved back above parity as carry trade recovered. The greenback paired about half of Friday's losses before reversing near 1.0030. The dollar weakened against the loonie last Friday as Canadian employment data came in stronger than expected. Overnight, the UK will reveal its inflation to consumers, which is expected to climb. We will also get the BRC Retail Sales Monitor and Retail Price Index. Germany and the Eurozone will unveil a measure of business sentiment. The docket remains light for the U.S. tomorrow, with New Zealand posting its producer prices in the late afternoon. And that's it for today's news. Please join us again tomorrow right here at CMSFX.com.